Your Porsche shows warning lights that appear and disappear without explanation. Sometimes the car feels perfectly normal, other times it behaves differently, even though nothing obvious seems wrong. Maybe you've already been to the dealer, cleared an error, replaced a part, and the same message came back weeks later. If your Porsche has ever done something like this and left you confused or worried about what might happen next, this video is for you. In this video, we are going to face these problems directly. We are going to explain why modern Porsche cars behave this way, what these warnings actually mean, and how you can react correctly instead of guessing or panicking. The goal is simple: to give you clear, practical understanding so you can protect your car and avoid unnecessary stress and expense. Modern Porsche vehicles are designed very differently from cars of the past. They are constantly monitoring themselves. Temperature, voltage, pressure, load, and software logic are checked in real time. When something moves outside an ideal range, the car reacts immediately. This reaction often appears as a warning message, a reduced response, or a temporary change in behavior. What many owners do not realize is that these reactions are usually preventive, not the result of a failure. One of the biggest mistakes owners make is assuming that every warning means something is broken. In reality, many warnings are simply telling you that the car is protecting itself. Porsche systems are designed to intervene early, before damage occurs. That is why some messages appear even when the car still drives smoothly. The system is not accusing you of a problem. It is asking for attention. A very common cause of warnings in modern Porsche vehicles is electrical instability. These cars rely heavily on a stable electrical system. Short trips, frequent starts, heavy use of infotainment and accessories, and limited driving time can prevent the battery from fully stabilizing. When voltage drops or fluctuates, control modules start behaving defensively. Sensors may send inconsistent readings, communication between systems may be interrupted, and warnings can appear that seem unrelated. Many owners replace sensors or modules when the real issue is simply that the car has not completed enough proper driving cycles. Engine-related warnings often follow patterns that are closely tied to driving habits. Cold starts followed by strong acceleration, repeated short trips, or shutting the engine down immediately after spirited driving all create conditions the system does not like. The car detects temperature imbalance or incomplete operating cycles and responds with a warning. This does not mean damage has already occurred. It means the engine needs time to normalize. When owners continue driving calmly and allow temperatures to stabilize, many of these warnings resolve on their own. Software plays a much larger role in modern Porsche behavior than most people expect. Dozens of control units must communicate perfectly at all times. A temporary interruption, a delayed update, or a synchronization issue can trigger a warning even when all hardware is functioning correctly. This is why some messages disappear after a restart or after a complete drive cycle. The system simply needed to realign itself. Without this understanding, owners often assume the worst. What really matters is not a single warning, but repetition and context. A message that appears once and never returns is very different from one that keeps showing up under the same conditions. Porsche systems are layered. They start with mild alerts and escalate only if the condition persists. A one-time warning without changes in drivability is often informational. Repeated warnings, especially those paired with noticeable behavior changes, should always be taken seriously. Many owners misunderstand the purpose of clearing fault codes. Resetting a warning does not fix anything by itself. It only removes the message. When done without understanding, it can erase useful diagnostic information. However, when used properly, a reset can be helpful. If a warning disappears and does not return after normal driving, it suggests the issue was temporary. If it returns under specific conditions, it gives you valuable clues about what is causing it. The key difference is whether you are resetting to hide a problem or to understand it. Cooling system messages are another source of confusion. Modern Porsche engines actively manage cooling based on speed, load, and temperature. A cooling-related warning does not always mean overheating. It can indicate airflow limitations, sensor inconsistencies, or conditions that prevent the system from balancing itself. Ignoring these messages repeatedly can eventually lead to real overheating, even if the temperature gauge never reaches a critical zone. Responding early protects the engine and prevents escalation. Transmission warnings work the same way. Porsche transmissions are extremely strong, but they are sensitive to heat and repeated stress. Stop-and-go traffic, aggressive launches, and prolonged low-speed driving can push the system into protective mode. When this happens, the transmission is not failing. It is protecting itself. Allowing time for cooling and adjusting driving style often resolves the issue. Forcing the car to continue under stress accelerates where that no software update can reverse. Another important concept is the difference between active and stored warnings. Some messages indicate something happening right now. Others are records of something that happened in the past. Owners who do not understand this difference often worry about problems that no longer exist, or ignore active issues assuming they're old data. Learning this distinction allows you to react calmly and correctly. Many owners assume that dealer visits always provide full clarity. In reality, many warnings are treated symptomatically. Codes are cleared, parts are replaced, and the underlying usage pattern remains unchanged. When the same message returns months later, frustration grows. The car feels unreliable, but it is actually behaving consistently based on how it is being used. Understanding the logic behind warnings helps you avoid repeating this cycle. The most powerful tool you can develop as a Porsche owner is awareness. Paying attention to when a warning appears, what conditions triggered it, and how the car behaves afterward turns random alerts into useful information. Over time, patterns become clear. You begin to recognize which warnings are linked to driving habits, which are influenced by environment, and which require immediate action. This awareness transforms ownership from stressful to confident. Porsche warning lights are not enemies. They are early messengers. When understood, they save money, protect the vehicle, and reduce anxiety. When misunderstood, they become the starting point of expensive repairs that could have been avoided. This episode completes the Porsche project. Longevity depends on correct use. Technology works when it is understood, and warnings exist to guide you, not to scare you. If you want to truly enjoy your Porsche and keep it healthy long-term, this knowledge is essential. Subscribe to the channel, because this series is built to give you real control, not just information. When you understand how your Porsche communicates and protects itself, ownership becomes smoother, safer, and far more satisfying.